reiterate that this best-in-class employer RPL Type 4 focuses on getting people engaged with industry in any of the manner, whether it's a direct employment, it's a wage employment, contractual, even the people working at the sites, even as a enabler, even if the industry is working as an enabler industry, want to get their people certified. This scheme, this training program is designed and dedicated only for industries employees. Uh, Moving ahead with the session, I would like to introduce Mr. Anil Mathur. He heads Marketing and Skill Development Division with Nasi and Associates. A brief introduction about Nasi and Associates, that Nasi and Associate is being led by Mr. Narsi Kolaria, and Mr. Narsi Kolaria is a co-chairman of Furniture and Fitting Skill Council. Nasi and Associates is one of the leading industry in interior designing and manufacturing space, and they have been a pushing force in the entire skill ecosystem in furniture and fitting domain, whether it is a short-term trainings, recognition of prior learning, supporting council in other skill development initiatives. So Nasi and Associates have been a great force behind FFSC's operations. So I would like to welcome Mr. Anil Mathur to show what they did in second version of PMKY under RPL Type 4 program. Mr. Anil Mathur.
Yeah, thank you, Devesh. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Yeah, thanks for introducing me to the audience. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Anil Mathur. I am looking after the Marketing and Skill Department of NERSI in Interior Infrastructures. We have been associated with FFSC over the last 3 years. First, I'd like to talk about RPL. What we are highlighting today is the most beneficial part for RPL is, जब भी मैं किसी से बात करता हूँ तो हर कारपेंटर से मैं पहला सवाल यही करता हूँ कि आज आप एक कारपेंटर हैं, आपके पास कोई सबूत है कि आप कारपेंटर हैं. Doctor can have a degree, an engineer can have a degree, but a carpenter who is working with us for the last 25 years does not have any recognition कि वो बता सके कि मैं कारपेंटर हूँ. So RPL makes him more confident. He is already working with us. He is well qualified for his work. He is a carpenter by caste, by workmanship. He works on CNC machines, but still he is not recognized. Even Government of India does not have a record of carpenters. How many carpenters are there in India? They are not aware of. So what FFSC is doing for us is through RPL, through another short-term courses, we are able to list out a mapping of carpenters being done by Government of India. This works as a mapping. आज हमको मालूम नहीं है कि हमारे पास कितने carpenters हैं. Am I right, Devesh?
Yes, sir.
So that's a big advantage for RPL. हमारे यहाँ भी सब लोग काम करें. We got about a force of 3,500 to 4,000 carpenters working with us pan India. All of them are with our company for the last 25 years, 20 years, 15 years, 30 years. So when we do RPL to them, they feel motivated and honored. It's like a degree to them. I like to tell all the industry partners कि आपके जब carpenters को आप ये RPL 4 certificate दिलवाते हैं, it's a big honor to them. We are honoring their workmanship. This is the main इसका point अगर मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि उनको एक honor मिलता है. वो कहीं भी बाहर जाते हैं, अपना जब उनके पास एक कार्ड रहता है स्किल इंडिया का, they are a registered carpenter, they feel proud. उसको वो फ्रेम लगवा के अपने घर में रखते हैं, गांव में रखते हैं, गांव वालों को ये बताते हैं कि मेरे पास एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का FFSC से अप्रूव्ड सर्टिफिकेट है जिसमें लिखा गया है कि आई एम अ कारपेंटर. So it's a big thing for them, big moral booster for them. I hope I'm very clear about this to all my industry partners. Next, what we do is I'll show a small slide, 4 or 5 photos. Devesh, can you put me as a co-host? Shrikant, Devesh, can you put me as a...
Yes, sir. We are just working over.
Okay. Any issues coming up, so I can continue without that?
Sir, there's a bit technical issue. We are just solving it. I'll apprise you once it's done.
No problem. Till that I can talk to the audience at least.
Yes.
हम लोग जो आपको आई लाइक टू टेल एवरीबडी कि जो हम लोग जब इस तरह का आरपीएल का प्रोग्राम करते हैं थ्रू एफएफएससी, वी डू इट इन अ वेरी वेरी डिग्निफाइड वे दैट कारपेंटर शुड फील लाइक दैट ही इज बीइंग tested for a particular course which is of Government of India, and through the passing that course he will get a certificate from Government of India. So that motivation should be there in the mind of the carpenter when he comes for RPL certification. So we make sure that whatever program we do it in a very large scale. उनको एक बहुत बड़े बोर्ड रूम में हम लोग बैठाते हैं. हमने टैब्स ले रखे हैं which is given to each and every carpenters on which he does his test. तो ही फील ऑनर्ड कि मैं एक टैब पे एक ऑनलाइन एग्जाम दे रहा हूँ. उसके बाद उसका एक वाइवा लेते हैं विच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस टेस्ट, एंड वंस ही गोज थ्रू दैट ही फील्स मोटिवेटेड कि देखो मैंने इतना बढ़िया टेस्ट दिया है, जो ऑनलाइन मैंने टेस्ट किया है वो बेपढ़ा लिखा, इज नॉट क्वालिफाइड, ही डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश, बट स्टिल वर्नाकुलर लैंग्वेजेस में उसमें एग्जाम्स में है, उसमें हिंदी भी होता है, हिंदी वो लोग समझते हैं, तो उसी तरह से वो लोग एग्जाम देते हैं और खुद को बहुत मोटिवेटेड फील करते हैं. तो आरपीएल लेने का भी तरीका अच्छा होना चाहिए ताकि कारपेंटर्स मोटिवेट फील करें. उसके बाद जब उनका सर्टिफिकेट आता है तो वी मेक श्योर कि जो क्लाइंट्स जहाँ पे हम लोग सपोज वी आर डूइंग आरपीएल इन चेन्नई और इन हैदराबाद विथ टीसीएस और विथ इन्फोसिस और विथ अमेजोन, जहाँ भी हमारी साइट चलती है, वी गो देयर ऑन द साइट, वी डू दिस आरपीएल. उसके बाद जब सर्टिफिकेट आ जाता है वी अगेन गो टू दैट साइट and we make sure the client is involved in distribution of certificate like Infosys, TCS, Wipro जब होते हैं तो we call them for the certificate distribution program. So they feel honored कि जो हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनके लिए हम लोग जो ऑफिस बना रहे हैं, it's a big boosting for our company also, because when we say that all our carpenters are certified, it's an honor for us and we get a good recognition through the client. I hope I'm very clear about this. Anybody else would like to ask anything about this?
Basically, this program is for carpenters only or something for higher post?
No, right now we are having 4 job roles. We'll be going for interior designers also, because we have got a full team for interior designer also. But till now we have done for lead carpenters. We have taken 3 job roles for this. But where in the coming future we'll be going for interior designers also. That will be, I think, 5 or 6 level. We are going for that also.
Okay, so right now you guys have only carpenter skills and training program.
Yes, right now we have done whatever RPL we have done is for carpenters only.
Okay.
I'd like to chip in there actually. So I guess the question that you asked, meant to ask, is that how many job roles or different variety of programs are there, right?
Yeah.
So Narsian Group has done for 3 job roles, and they are planning to do for 1 or more 2 in the future. But overall, if you would see, there are 22 different job roles, which are available that we have created as for certification purpose. Out of which a list can be collated based on what job people are employed at your place, what category people are employed, and and then you can pick. You can have probably 5 also. You can have probably 6 also of that. Like I'll give example of another company which was doing which has applied for the RPL program, and they have about 7 categories in which they have shortlisted names. So for the categories are cabinet maker, kitchen, assembler, modular furniture, carpenter, assistant carpenter, interior designer, supervisor interior designer. So like that they have. Shrikant has just shared a list of job roles which are available. Of these job roles, level 3 and above job roles are level 3, 4 and 5. These 3 categories of job roles are available for the RPL purposes. So more information will be shared in the coming slide. I guess how to participate in the RPL part, Devesh should cover that. But to answer your question, there are more options also available, and which would increase in the coming years.
Rahul, I would just like to show the kind of RPL we do at our site. Few photographs from our site. Can we show?
Sure.
Is it visible to everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll just show you the kind of, this is what we do at site. This is at Infosys Pune. We have done a training program. Then the distribution, once you see a test going on a table on tablets and various sites. Then there is, now this is at Sachor, Rajasthan. We have done this. And now this was the distribution we had called the collector of that place to give the certificates. This is again Narsi Kuleria himself giving the certificate on the left hand side, if you see. Then we have got various clients there. Then this is at Badmer, Dorimana, we have done this. What I am trying to tell is when you do it in a dignified way, the carpenters feel proud and motivated. See, this we have done at Amrita Hospital at Faridabad. And this is again at Infosys and Reliance site, the distribution, the test. These are, this was all covered by newspapers. So what exactly I would like to tell is that whenever you do RPL, it should be a proud moment for the carpenters. That's all what I have to say. Devesh, over to Devesh now.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your